Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing the Washington Commanders. So of course, as normal, doing a little sketch here with pencil, just laying out where whatever's going in there. All right. I think I got it. Oh, wait a second. There's this too. His little suey nose. All right. And I know you guys think it just looks like nothing there, but for me, I can see where things are going. So to start with, we are going to draw, and you guys are using your pencil, a line like this. This is his little helmet brim. And so it looks like kind of a letter C if you return it. Then we're gonna come in here, let's see here. I gotta know where my top is. I think I'm gonna put the top about right here. So I'm gonna come in, come up, around and back down. All right, there's his helmet. And we got some curving lines right here. And then we've got a little something right here, 2 lines with 3 little dashes. And then we've got the card here. This little triangle and an upside down heart making a spade. Should have left that there. If I only had used pencil. All right, then I'm gonna have his helmet strap coming down and then coming back up. And then there's a line in the middle. All right, then this comes around. There's his little jowl. And there's his chin. And then it kind of comes around. Then we have a curving line here. A curving line here that kind of comes around and comes back up. Little face line. Line coming back and around like so. Boink, boink, boink. Then we've got the eye that starts on kind of a curve. And then we have the curve up here for the top of the eye. And then we have the eyeball like this. And then the pupil comes down with a V like so. And we've got some little lines here and there to show this and that. And then where this curves right here is his tusk. Like that. And then over here, we have his nose. So this is like a little flat W. It's gonna come up and back down. So it's not a circle, but it is roundish. Then we have his nose holes, like that. And then we have the back of his nose. So that's like, kind of like a, what would you say? A letter L upside down that kind of fell apart. Then over here, we have the side of the head that's kind of a little line like so. I'm gonna connect that. And then we have some little suey teeth, some teeth. And there's another tooth here. And then we've got the other tusk that comes up and back down and runs behind the nose. All looks pretty good, I think. We just need some more lines, a couple lines here and there, little something something in places. And I think that looks good. All right, there is the Commanders football team logo. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up.